Welcome to Tranquilly Coding. This is our new series about Android sensors. In this video, we are going to create a new project and set up the project to get ready for the upcoming videos where we will getting the data from the sensors. The project creation is done. Don't worry if you don't get all the codes from the video properly. All the codes in this tutorial will be available in this repository. I will add the link in the description. Let's create some activities and set up some basic designs. I'm not going to use very complex design and stuff. This is our pretty basic setup in the layout. The homepage will have a list of all the sensors, and from there we'll intend to different activities for different sensors. Okay, so this setup is done so far. Let's create another activity where we'll be showing the sensor data. So this is our basic setup in the home page. It will just hold the list of all the sensors and it will intend to other activity to show the sensor details. The details page looks basically like this. Now we will add the MP Android chart to show the real-time changes in the sensor data. This is the new version catalog of Android. If you don't know what this is, I have a separate video on version catalog. You can watch that right now. Now we have our chart set up. So the basic structure is done. Let's add an intent and check how this thing works. So this is the intent, and we used a put extra to send the sensor name with our intent. And in the sensor activity, we will be receiving the intent and getting the sensor name, and then change the title according to the sensor name. As you can see, this is working perfectly. So our setup is complete. In the next video, we will try to add the sensors one by one and show the data in real time. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching Tranquilly Coding.